What if I told you that the greatest threat to your independence after 70 is not disease, not bad luck, but muscle loss? And what if I told you that it can be slowed, stopped, and even reversed? Right now, thousands of adults over 70 are being told that weakness is normal, that shrinking muscles are just part of aging, that slowing down is inevitable. But science says something very different. The human body, even after 70, remains adaptable. Muscle tissue is alive. It responds to challenge. It rebuilds when stimulated. It grows stronger when used. The real danger is not age. The real danger is inactivity. After 30, we slowly begin to lose muscle mass. After 60, that loss accelerates. By 70, if no strength work is done, significant muscle decline can occur. This condition is known as sarcopenia. But here is the empowering truth. Sarcopenia is not a life sentence. It is a signal that your muscles are waiting to be used again. Muscle is not just about lifting heavy objects. It is your balance, your posture, your metabolism, your ability to climb stairs, your protection against falls, your independence. So today, I'm going to show you simple, safe, powerful strength exercises every senior should do to stop muscle loss after 70. These are not extreme workouts. These are intelligent movements designed for longevity. Let's begin with the most important movement of all, the sit-to-stand. If you can sit down and stand up from a chair without using your hands, you are already protecting your independence. If you struggle, that is your starting point. Sit on a sturdy chair. Place your feet shoulder-width apart. Lean slightly forward. Press through your heels and stand up. Then slowly sit back down with control. That's 1 repetition. This movement strengthens your quadriceps, glutes, and hips, the exact muscles responsible for walking, climbing stairs, and preventing falls. Start with 5 repetitions. Build to 10. Then aim for 2 to 3 sets. Done consistently, this one exercise alone can significantly improve lower body strength. Next, wall push-ups. Upper body strength declines quickly after 70, especially if you stop pushing or lifting objects. Stand facing a wall. Place your hands flat against it at shoulder height. Step back slightly. Bend your elbows and lower your chest toward the wall, then push yourself back. This strengthens your chest, shoulders, and triceps. More importantly, it maintains your ability to push yourself up from a bed, a chair, or even the floor if necessary. Strength in the upper body equals self-reliance. Now let's talk about heel raises. Your calves are critical for walking stability and circulation. Stand behind a chair and hold it lightly for balance. Slowly rise onto your toes. Pause for 1 second. Lower down with control. This strengthens the lower legs and improves ankle stability, which directly reduces fall risk. Weak calves are often overlooked, but they are essential for mobility. Another essential movement is the step-up. Find a low step or sturdy platform. Step up with 1 foot. Bring the other foot up. Then step back down slowly. Alternate legs. This exercise strengthens hips, thighs, and improves coordination. It mimics real-life activities like climbing stairs or stepping onto a curb. Go slowly. Control is more important than speed. Now let's address the back of the body, an area many seniors neglect. Glute bridges are powerful and safe. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Press through your heels and lift your hips toward the ceiling. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Lower slowly. Strong glutes protect the lower back, improve walking posture, and stabilize the pelvis. Weak glutes often contribute to back pain and instability. Let's move to posture. As we age, we tend to lean forward. Shoulders round. The spine stiffens. But posture muscles can be strengthened. Try seated rows using a resistance band. Sit tall. Loop a band around a stable object in front of you. Pull the band toward your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Release slowly. This strengthens the upper back and improves posture. Good posture improves breathing, balance, and confidence. Now here is something many people forget. Muscle needs fuel. After 70, your body becomes less efficient at using protein. That means strength exercise without proper nutrition limits results. Aim to include protein in every meal. Eggs, yogurt, lentils, beans, fish, poultry, or tofu. Protein supports muscle repair. Without it, rebuilding slows down. Hydration also matters. Dehydrated muscles fatigue faster. Drink water consistently throughout the day. Let's talk about frequency. You do not need to exercise every day intensely. 2 to 3 strength sessions per week are enough to stimulate growth. Muscles rebuild during rest. Recovery is part of the process. Sleep is another hidden weapon. During deep sleep, the body releases growth hormone. Poor sleep increases cortisol, which breaks down muscle tissue. Protect your sleep like you protect your exercise routine. Now I want to address fear. Many seniors avoid strength training because they fear injury. But controlled, low-impact strength exercises are safer than remaining weak. Weak muscles increase fall risk. Strong muscles protect joints. Strong muscles absorb shock. Strong muscles stabilize your body. Start small. 5 repetitions. Light resistance. Slow movements. Focus on form, not speed. And remember this, progress is not about lifting heavy weights. It is about consistency. If you improve by just 1 repetition each week, that is progress. If you feel slightly steadier walking upstairs, that is progress. Strength training also improves metabolism. Muscle tissue burns more energy than fat tissue, even at rest. Maintaining muscle helps regulate blood sugar and supports heart health. It also improves bone density. When muscles pull against bones, they stimulate bone remodeling. This reduces the risk of osteoporosis-related fractures. And let's not forget the brain. Strength training improves blood flow to the brain. It enhances coordination and neural communication. Studies show that resistance exercise may improve cognitive function in older adults. Movement feeds the brain. Now imagine this. You are 75. You rise from a chair without struggle. You carry groceries without fear. You walk confidently across a room. You climb stairs without holding your breath. That future depends on what you do today. The biggest myth about aging is that decline is automatic. The truth is that decline accelerates when movement stops. But improvement begins when movement restarts. You do not need a gym membership. You do not need heavy machines. You need your body, a chair, a wall, maybe a resistance band, and commitment. Here is a simple weekly structure you can follow. Day 1, sit-to-stands, wall push-ups, heel raises. Day 2, rest or gentle walking. Day 3, step-ups, glute bridges, seated rows. Day 4, rest. Day 5, repeat day 1. Weekend, light walking and stretching. This routine takes less than 20 minutes. 20 minutes to protect your independence. 20 minutes to fight muscle loss. 20 minutes to tell your body, I am not done yet. Muscle loss after 70 is common, but it is not unavoidable. Like this video, subscribe for more senior strength and healthy aging guidance, and turn on notifications so you never miss practical strategies to stay strong after 70. Your independence is worth fighting for. Stop muscle loss. Start rebuilding. And remember, you are stronger than you think.